In the morning, Omanhene Yaw, Ade Boakye, you are warmly welcome.
Sompa FM.
Aban no adi jumadi biasiwa your friend of government accountability series. Aban no emprempre no obabebu enkonta wasyeya bia. Nenra na aban lawyer penini ye Dr. Ayini ebe jina ho be kasa kire Ghana na all kind was you na was senka omo file charges editia National Service Secretariat scandal no omo ho ebon mu no nanso so omo sa ko hu say evidence bi SIPA and Zambia just say ehu kra no ntino na was so twentwen so no omo sa ko enu mu ntina nipa bebre ewe ani mu se nke bia yase ya the charge abowe ema so no ayine
the said account. We have therefore halted the filing of charges. The National Service Authority scandal case was due to be filed last week, as promised, when we stumbled upon evidence of malfeasance involving an account at the Bank of Ghana to which had been transferred an amount of 189 million Ghana cedis. Out of this amount, 80 million Ghana cedis cannot be traced. But we found two checks bearing the name and account details of the former Director General, Mr. Ose Asibe, which had been used to withdraw funds totaling a little under 2 million Ghana cedis from the said account. We have therefore halted the filing of charges so as to await the receipt of the evidence from the relevant state agencies, including the Bank of Ghana, Ministry of Finance, and the Controller and Accountant General's Department. In fact, as I speak, the Bank of Ghana signaled to me that this morning they are going to deliver the entire bank statement, for my attention. Sorry.
Okay. Na yera do for exoson sema abetodwa Attorney General de betodwa say oma withdraw asem no omo nto aso no Ghana for bebre beka say na we dey oba aban mu no virtually obia wo ye unipa wa aban mu case bia makoyi afri ho matwetwam chese ehu hia asem beto aso Bank of Ghana governor de tey heritage they see our bank no tey wait they say Kwabrado for there and e bi mo say owura Kwabrado for na atworo krata de akọ Attorney General say owe japade ne japade bi a e ka wo there over 5.4 billion no obetua omo ye hye so obetua Dr. Ayeni wo so buy a wo se da bi wo ne na ye plea bargain now, mama no tia 60%. I'm up for analysis. Abrante with the Bryce Simmons no so the Bibia di dance say Sikano ye involved near 5.4 billion Ghana cedis. It's here then Kwabrado 40 860 million a constitute 60%. No, it constitutes only 10% of the amount. That is what is there.
It also 60%.
If OTR 60%, it means that you should pay almost about 3.something billion, not the 860 billion. No? Because Attorney General say almost 1.4. It will be at 860 60%. What I say, but almost in this. And a bimuso bonus of say you made an application to the court. Now only we are Kwabrado for lawyer. Emma court no dismissing wo application no say ka court no any case no you can say no prosecute as a one no like the court should dismiss the case rather is unfounded. Emma court no dismissing wo application it did not be Attorney General somebody who had previously been your client who can cast a one not trust in a sika say na wo so ntia na de aka de ache no a na just say wo interest. You have a vested interest. It's your ma papa no nsem o de betu dwa no aye bebre fi say Attorney General no he cannot be trusted. But on also fi say partial recovery is better than nothing. And you say na Yakoba say Ghana ha no no ubo kro no ani achi wa no atia kakra na
na ko. Sa no person ka kire.
Because you see no based on this there obi a wo NDC abem sisia so timia na ni wie bia na da ache ba wa kotia kakra no
ma ye na de call baby and I could say bank issue we so no other cases are involving banks ni bia
yes
a collapse here that's all bank
yes
but who say Beige Capital there
yina ku si aja yina ku ya oma twam
yes
oma ye fi ho
another one
heritage
heritage and who say UT Bank is
yes.
it UT Bank
yes
so je ni no amoaben ono so who baby or court and man ya o ma jelini ni obesu o TV
anya yi atoesien
say ma so o ma start the pictures
free atoesien
yes and the pictures so yare wo prison o ma start the bar bonte
oh na me so de o ha clemency will come
it is then akonta say ne you say no
because these young men are obubo omudi adongo hinaku atoesien they were NDC boys
okay
almost time na microfinance sorry pa
yes ni jinemu
almost na omampani John Mama any Johnson Esiama now governor
now
almost FSN komba ebesa peja almost banks bio
okay
ema almost 600 million of Ghana choppable money so almost some from peja bank ni bio a almost di koye real estate no ni ade a almost di sika no
okay.
You see, we are not telling Ghanaians the truth and the issue. Yamana politics. Sami wa yaw. Na mikrofoni o musika be gumi bank. Na minyes kentia. Obeka ya baba we bia ye kobo na. Ye ra despite see dan channel.
Yes.
Sa time no na sa na ma no pagya ne mu. Enti omo na omo banks no na omunya depositor sika ma omo. So what happened? The government of Ghana felt say, let me reimburse them. No mutuminya a certain amount of media tia depositors nika. Instead, when most of them took the money, what they did was simple. Almost started say move into real estate. Ebikra could be a bank or Rwanda no near there. Yes, Fawre mu na nkrofo ba ti omo ka no. Omo no enim nyansa too much say. Omo di sika no koye niema bi.
Nje se ba kokra do say di bie bank ni bi kan.
Yes, atrese am ko bie bank.
Say bie ba ko card egu no.
Yes. Sovereign bank. Ah no deal with ayi.
Yes, picture we na make a contact. E ko viral on social media no so pa.
We dey any atoese o yare ampa.
Yes, say well unti
the o yare. Say dey no call hospital.
Hospital dey be na
e be atoese na the swat saro. Asem ni nie. Yaw. Yewura kwabrado for issue no. What we say virtually all the accounts Overkai MPP by Omoji accounts ni bi kra free UT Bank except na the whole of Kolebu.
Yes.
Any 37 nominee ade no account honanam. Okay. Because of a privileged position as Bank of Ghana, a governor and you can't say finance minister. KNUST. Overko KNUST ni akola bia card na ewo aye card na say ID card no
student ID card
omo ye ma omo nyina free ti na KNUST account that also obri danso and vice chancellor say I'm an appointment
or
ambassadorial appointment eti oni omo nya sa contact no na sa sika no a students no nyina card omo na eti all the accounts of KNUST na fa ho.
Wow.
And Kwabrado for any contractors, so that arrangement, that bank had an arrangement with the bank. Contractor no, or no pre-finance.
Yes.
Tell you.
Yeah, the contract now,
no, pre-finance, say. So we see no. The contract sum is about 20 million. Obama will be at 10 million, or will be at 12 million. We no or yani BBI we no register certificate no kojia. A certain percentage a bank there. The contractors agreed. Ya disika ma womo. And abani sisai. And adomlobo ba e no se da bi. Auditor oye no. sa amount na omo pese yetua ma omo no it is not in their books to be charge on level 5.7 billion which are almost 2 billion chene.
Yes,
that was UT Bank sika contractors no so na akodi omo what ya adwuma wie aban ni ntua aka aban no so say document bi enu e chese wo so tua sika no so in the end no UT Bank ho be kire no
I go there say prof say India Professor
India. After what did I mention? It was as a bad business, as a change of government. I'm a bank no so watch it no because NDC had won and can win number.
Teacher says he can order my contractors and say we are more contract in 2 cities.
Remember 1 city. I buy it to you, Miss for 1 city.
That 1 city in the contract and why did the call?
Why did the call?
Sir, buy bet you am what tell the S won't tree. Who was a
Abam Kofi?
Okay.
See, I know the coffee sand your money in a buy. No more free, sir. Sika bi kra na omu rezi yeah aban rezi through bank no sai ka no wo so tua eno na omu che right Simons so say 5.4 billion but aban we no so say yeah about attorney general say about just 1 point something billion what you 860%. Hey. I say you see where the whole issue is. I don't know how fan same bebre aba
but the
misrose say we should tread cautiously. Yes. Because if you are not careful, every government will come. The xenophobia are born obeja o. Obi abeko. Obi say kwakubu ahemone Sami photo.
Bra Sami photo.
Almost issue no na nye issue.
Oh David
na ye waste of akwaya say obi on kuta doctor tape no ni ade. Eno de utwam a obi ano ya. But what involves money? Jessica won't pay me obi abon yam tutu na se o ena bi mo also aban na otwam no so won ne omo ani ne ye obi ti say adongo heritage ayi say
yes bank
say mo hwehwe mu kire say mo gidi say ase bank no odi dwirim bi ni ade ntino monku no ebesi na aban ne ti bi nya concrete ayi pa say heritage bank oye boni bi you no say ye jano ameme ne ya atwe
yes
what you make say no Johnson Asiama you say one on the quote 600 million no ma omo 650 million ma banks no no mo fi say procedurally certain things were wrong let him go through the channel now he's the governor
ono so ne de no me so mi hu bone ewum one me deputy governor government assanction say yemfa sika we asante ebo abetri institution na me wom no
so why don't you deal with
an evaluation department it is their job when the money is disbursed also mo di o money di akire
ti ade na atwo di ade na ma sanko for ma hold you
mo it department na ye wo bibi ni o mo di a yanko busa omo ba me Johnson Asiama say me na me hwema ye di sika
I was in the line of duty
yes I was
and I'm here medjuma
that's it
to bo so bo a
enye ye
ade na wo mo aban no so
aban no ka kire me say me fa sika na ma santi ebo anu so
I agree with you
before you can say on 650 no go to 850
but it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. He paid as he was asked to do.
Nkoma we did not pay. The many agents say we presented the two sides of the issue.
Yes.
Kakra abanda dan yam for so kakra wo. Baby so abanda dan so ni discretion over exercise ya.
Or the politics be mu.
Hwe last Friday ya ni lawyer ye ni nkoma for say. Na bofu come hona me ka say I was say that you be am kwaji me buta de ka beto ma doctor lawyer we asem no nyina no
ye nyina ye
ti e start asem no Dr. Dufo ka say he's ready say na japade no ye ntua bi ye aban entua amfandi free the debt na entua aban so no ya onye say asem we baby na command the force akwa kwesi wa ban court baby maybe
I was you cry we need case no
so na ye wuti asem na uhu de eko say command the force we ni asem na onso obobu ye bubu ka ma ban na tuama no sa na kokko ban hwe asem no amanyo asem na ombe mpanimfo na omo ye no mu bia ya na omo ye ma sa banking sector go egu ni reforms o man sanka ya dia nke di hye pa to hu ya so mo ka say banks na nkasa de ka 10 billion ɛna ɔmo wɔ agyapadeɛ soso a obeti ma ton aka ho na ekɔ bɛsɛ 20 billion nti sɛ ɔman obi wɔ sika kakra wɔ hɔ na ɔtɔ na agyapadeɛ ne beti ma tetene ka sɛ nkɔ ne ka bi ehu
onika
die bo a nanado ade ba kɔ yɛ CBG Consolidated Bank of Ghana ɛno so na banks be nu bia o ka bo mo
amalgamated banks
si wɔ besi ne enwu
say no cry Unibank ka ho anambo
Unibank ka ho say no Kwabrado for the call court rulings here for the bank man no
so akote so mo de be manana
na no ko ye free he
it is so mo de bank de manana ne buildings and now be branches of CBG
typical bank no one dey come no
na akote be bia akika ko e it is possible
it na CBG for the betu ana
it on say na Unibank or branch bi wa Asafo labor about no
very good
building fefe bi no
na
say what be CBG
KJT anom na Roman Hill so
na Adum PZ one wa be say bi no mo ase fefe
they say I want be
it yeji a edan no o be sa agi dia mana na say edan ba be
I want to believe say CBG is posting profits so I would believe say the government will compensate him hugely if he goes ahead say original banker there be show the original heritage so can who I don't go
and e can say do agongo ne wo beige capital
hinaku
Mike hinaku anu kwa de be beige bank
ama ono so ya kwase the issue no
UT Holdings
so enjo man
e just CBG nem say just you disintegrating no be
South Five banks on say abani be mu no a wogigina se mafaka no enwo o manage ya ma mto niam ma amanfo bank na sa
bank is strong
eni na amanfo because other banks na ye gu no that microfinance no
don't forget commercial bank
so absorb
UT
commercial bank and
there was two banks
ba kususu no Kumasi is it First Allied na First Allied
First Allied in Kaho First Allied omo issue different UT okay commercial bank absorb two banks Kuku I check it for me they absorb two banks
Ghana commercial bank
FA bank mienu so and omo create a new bank for CBG no
and your my media
omugu no kra
asem no ni tia wa kakra be fa ayi ni side ni say
me ba asante a quick one say GN bank what is happening
na GN bank na so nka ho
na GN bank
there service and loans no crash so almost Papa go see the Akoto bank wa brochire e the depositors sika $50 million Akobie bank wa brochire no
and your bank back no so no branches or Ghana
all branches che obi a o about for sika Kogu GM bank on
and abedwuma fo bebre no mo di o salaries
yes
because of nkrase na no
wo niam akoso e wo nipa ebi mo mo sorry bi e wo
ayi ne de make any it is a clear case of conflict of interest because we ye lawyer ma company na company ho asama samba na wo so na wo say be ka bia ma na o ma ye den ya odidi mo bi di pen enti be ye den pa say no kre ba ko pe obetime si apai because Dr. Kamato for a lawyer where wo na we lawyer a wo twitwa age no e na asemi Manon Fajap on se satem sika na nka ban no je no se nka oje koma Japan koma du fo sika no a enka se sika we na emu odu chen de na wo tua o
nka
ya ma na ntua kofa we nya ba na o kutua
basa na ho na manyosem na dos
akota so boni bi so nkoma maame no na ya no de change to the Gloria Kufu that time on na ya attorney general e dey see no ho kwan akonta from that time 2016 amu winning elections
that time na pre-bargain no mo pass you
akota na pre-bargain na mo pass but that time no pe nkoma na je ba fo wani e di Friday no o ka kire yen say ono blame that time attorney general no wo no
that's right
because papa no kra ofo na japade bebrebe obakaya no wasase bi das that house at you
yes
yeah nkra sem bam so odisane ma ni nyina ofa ema na japade ni bi wono ma like be bi wa wato ama original owners e bi wo so so
he was ready to defray the debt now Why didn't the government accept politics?
Otunton the Japade ni bi mama for bi se be yo benye sika de akọ class politics from 2017-21 when ne banwa na attorney general not one mo ye den obi a wa bo man ne ka a oman ni ni di o se me Japade ni mu nso munye
ya onye onu na ote wo ye den o omampani bibia se ne sa no at the end of the day if he does not agree utumi nye Ghana absolute power is vested in the president che Ghana yewo enkrofobia omo NDC musesia they have beef with certain people in MPP.
Oh yes.
Omo be kwan bia so se omo ne omo benya. MPP wo power. Omo fa kwan bia so di omo ni.
Eni no kre.
Sa era Rollins time obegugu companies no ni adino and sign. Now by law. Can no Rollins today.
The law
is the law. Now Rollins today to me.
Yes.
Siao Tata Brewery. Yaw, me say can the Tata Brewery o can the Guinness ne pew. E bi kra katwam. Apia menka. Apino. Papa. Herbert Mensa papa mo.
George no.
Kataban mo. Asamwa kokote mo. They were big men. Ye chi wo raw mo hu nyina de go prison. Te said there. Or business or and there was this tribal sentiment of anger. Say enkrofo we omu diye or Ghana. Woman enkrofo diye. And you see this modern day social media or tiny and you know. And you know people have been brainwashed with a certain mindset. Enkrofo we so Jerry Rollins are there. Oyi in the tribe. If you him, no, he has said, "Be our voter, develop." He gave them a human resource mind.
Yes,
and to the opera during the time, universities, appointment into buying offices, or mapping strategy, or the Kofi Awunomo, Eddie, Munufie, almost said that's a share near man. A Juba core government institution. I believe all. I will know. Kofi Totofe why or dromu chirichai uboko military or trainee omo Cuban doctors yes military and then civil service it ubeko Ghana Post ubeko ha they intentionally did that because police what about there na akoye to say as asante for na koye business what can we do to also bring our people up? He did it with a Rollins in there. Say no nim say Ninkrofo be peja sa and go and say asante for bi no adwuma ni akakoja wo yes
omo rocky show the scrap gap no nye huge
ayi Obasanjo
yes
Obasanjo took over now military waba
yes
but this time around civilian government he called Dangote Otedelo Olumelu Adenuga anyone who say what can I do for you? India is building billionaires. America is building billionaires. Malaysia no what can I do for you? And no strategy no man to her. And he intentionally and consciously, deliberately, government policy, and the page and to the upper when it comes to Nigeria. Don't joke with Obasanjo.
Yes.
He's become a father of the nation.
And we've been an anchor for a year, but unsa time no.
When you're of course, not the must say at it.
Oil Kofo building, Dr. Kokoti.
No near I know that John Dramani Maham Baba Yanko Peso building a Gambiri one, a quiet corruption in Yamabasa. It is not wrong.
Yes.
Ibrahim Becker just said Jacob for the man Ibrahim.
Yes.
Ibrahim.
Yes.
John Mama. Enu Ibrahim or see Jacob for over those times or the cast be by near or the cast nema and go for normal to Prudential Bank. Go and find out.
Yes.
Ovan Bass Spino. It was Ibrahim. Jacob formed the man as our contract, no?
Yeah.
You see, a man penny for the baby to wear any yawnly pain, any tribalistic tendencies, bigotry to be all power. Down, you go on, forgetting says any panel, yes, I know, on fire one block, currency won't see down. But on the 2 me as sacred for them.
You can't see me.
And I'm here to do baby.
Lawyer can't send me say, yeah, the answer go come banking sector now. And now buying a fire 30 billion taxpayers.
What's the MPP
and no, that poor economy, no, because $6 billion now for Fasaluguno.
They say 24 to 30 billion. What do you quack or say? What do you call your bank? Ye bank, bank. Also, Sandy, I pay you. Me no more judge, and say, now, Yaw, we are looking about 4 million depositors.
Yeah.
Nipa 4 million. And I know Musika could dear game. Many the actually. But a people so says you cannot see a chugumudo.
Oh my
Saturday.
Banka Kofeska. Now, the
manager truck no my father can affect it.
Hey, Debbie and Fasa.
I buy bank these banks and trans. Oh, story now. They are being in your own. I'm not much transi. Sacramento for our far part of Nisika said, the major part of the bit. Beg for no. Any other can you make 15, 20 billion? Edigo banks send Cabano Mutazia and KBA new best 6 billion Ghana cedis because you better for major Pajani be now Banica crab yasum and no posada and chair hair send Cabana Butra and Cabanks in Congo and no Casama Fakape the moment they abandon car a who be anymore. Na kayama nipa mpanifo na omanyu motube
pro
abano kai
obi yes
the latter stages of Akufo-Addo na abando okay wo
oh David no
DD I don't know latter part no share DDEP
Emma papa Kama said the pension a year
all the power go we Saba pano on was 1.2 million votes for NDC. When Kama spoke, now Antebia wo here no.
Utimi ko now your man 10 million 15 million.
When Kama spoke,
Papa we abobra
and Kama's interview was a total minus for MPP. I'm telling you.
Oh yes.
Now obi to say Kama. Who's ready?
Mpempem a wa hwe o mukure.
Na the panel etimi aba national television say must say na brabo anche bia na papa no ko wom asa de ekoto aba and what do you expect Ghanaians to do?
Me fanko tedo no abra papa we abobra on wa jakum building no
na Kama pharmaceuticals
ya sam ketwa
hey
obesi
me say sa edu me Tariana bi mun chomase na odi titi trinti bu mine era nanado so some bie kwa ma no mo ye ni ope DDEP. I remember I had a one-on-one discussion with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Was Omanhene. We had a cabinet arrangement that the DDEP say involving individual bondholders are 0.5% of GDP and you 880,000 Ghanaians no mama me fancy ko musika cabinet approve and you read wadru nanado fie e wi nanado ye you catch a Ghana for said there shall be no haircut.
You know, address 28.
Address 28. There shall be no haircut. Or come here, yeah. Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, banks now start to say, you see haircut. Who pano abana to say haircut. I say, watching Gofosi Canona and NJ. Oh, Chief Justice.
Yes.
Now the Kasaya, na Gabia search I could say, or you depressed and ungrateful.
Yeah.
To a chick.
I was saying,
Come on, make us so. And NDC elections we na ehia omo campaign
Debi o na oman abato yekoto no enye
it was Ghanaians showing them say hey you can't take us for granted. That was how and just say MPP anye bibi omo but now the level of haughtiness and pride has gotten to its crescendo.
Yeah.
Let us too much. And it was like we don't give a damn.
Yes,
we don't give a damn. I'm paying your mama about 2 years to be a TV that. One more day than
no catch so yaria. Onimni padudu ekuomo o de emfa papa kama no nko anyina
akoye prostate ugade oye wa survival bra what do jam so yare
moyo hospital
akoye operation
the whole world
nipa dodo a wo this is nko o edom ni kosi ayese ade we ye mpene nko so wo be no ye no nipa dodo a wakuomo families a waboni say to that family ni mpege
bio
bra na be cha de kronti a we ya so yare
okay why friend ka so ba date ni so
Oma
na wanka beba
oba no kan se obeba on se
no oba no ye kwabrado oye kaloverata
ne se tie me ba ekodu ba bi omanhene
asante
ekodu ba bi na party no an kemi mo for rata no oba no ba recruit spokesperson
na se oso oye
na me se wan wi amman no duru ha sei na se bi omo che no party for no kura mfi no
na me kan ma
na wa na be fi
party for no
kura no yare no obaba se second July na se
wa ma something ha ho
na duru ba run se na lawyers kura no mo kedma no no munkama ntuma ko we do de nipa wa
masa hunya yo ja de okeka no
je fracture de contender for ba ko na me kan tum contender for mo ye adwuma ye nti o mo ka o mo say hey
one ayi
yes
3 weeks
muntwa bi mu
o ka 3 weeks
ofura amakwata yes wo aban de o ka
Adam so I used to be trying to be to force him be intro be too pa. Interchange progress interchange no mo je bo se o madi. Asenso abe kan o de aye nyina ne ade se e wo so o mo to aso insel so. Asenso kan ya no osu.
Obi party o.
Se se o de ade. NDC no platform. It is so much control. So much control number 4 bomb.
President Mahama Beka KJT asemi. Say by this time on be year we say and if grow from there no. Me who say Sompa Osesi benom the document chere say I know my we are to ho. But
na document what was obi grafa that's a quantum
ni enwene mo ba ya document so omo de chere say KJT
masa obi anya na dwi so obeti wo
sika was here the contract
yaw the goodwill of Omanhene Yaw mama no e ma ne kwan ma sesi ano asema o ka wo bo akura Ghana for se sha he has the goodwill anakufu ado wonyo bi na Yaw mama won sesi o 2017 Nanado why a proverbial monkey see no evil touch no evil
yes nkwala ne ko so munya baby na bata ne san ye pe
Nanado ye ko
school dan ni o say
ebe wie no mo de prayer na epra na chi eji Omanhene Yaw mama so wo wie
so ono de
Abia so no
Aba is hate techi
it's his to ba and it is awaiting you
party for no be by 2 years time was so much party
o na just unya kwa me yu hwanu bie wo
ye be dia kwa wie ye aba for ye no
ye be ka unya kwa me yu hwanu
o say monka de beka what UK ojojo no abusuafo Orlando wa hanu mo de agudie hu sem it's a kotokwa e da bio so de kotokwa nanam